Hello.
Okay. Hi, Chandan. Good evening.
Yeah, very good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm exceptionally, happy to have you here. I'm doing well, but I would say.
That's nice. Good to hear that you're delighted to see me again for the second time. It's good
Yeah,
to
ma'am,
have a
you are.
recognized face again in front of you. It's really nice. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Because you're a very positive, person.
Okay.
Positive vibe comes within you. So that's why I'm so delighted for having you here.
Thank you so much. So, all right. So, since you have such a smiling face, okay, both of us actually, for that matter. So, tell me, Chandan, how important it is to have a smiling face. Let's talk about smile.
Yeah, of course. Why not, ma'am? Why not? According to me, sustaining a smile over face, it's very important, I think, because it will help you to maintain your happiness at every situation, I think. No matter in that
Okay.
situations you are, smile will help you to move ahead, right? It will
True.
help you to distract your attention from the actual conditions of your life, right? As well as in your surrounding people also will be happy besides you.
Right.
Yes, and positiveness, positive vibes. What I said you earlier, that comes
Yes.
within you, and that make others happy. So this
Definitely.
is a very important, I think, to sustaining a smile over your face. Yeah,
Right.
that's my opinion.
Good interpretation, I can say, about the importance of a smiling face. Definitely, it cheers a person that is surrounding you, right? So it's extremely important, extremely crucial, I can say, in this case, to have a smiling face, especially in today's challenging world where you have multiple reasons not to smile, right? So it's good to have a
Yes,
positiveness to surrounding you always.
and this is a called personality development. Mostly we are talking about, but
Yes,
we don't know how, which is called.
yes,
Personally, I'm talking about, right? Personality development means if you have the good smiley face, you can satisfy any person by your opinion, by your suggestion.
absolutely.
If I give you an example in hospitals, how the way doctors mention the things with the smiley,
Hmm.
patients are getting relief after listening. Yeah, everything is okay.
It provides hope, right? A smile, I think,
Yes.
in this scenario where you mentioned, it does provide hope. Okay. A smiling face is a hopeful face, I can say, which is, I can say, which is much relatable to people, right? We won't
Yes.
like to see a frowning face and we won't relate to a person, but a smile reciprocates smile, which is something amazing, right? You have to smile in front of a smiling face. So that's really nice.
Yes, and it
Mhm.
helps us to impact our hormone as well, right?
Yes, true. It does. So tell me that do people smile enough, Chandan, you feel in today's time?
I personally think like where the smile is needed, we must,
Okay.
do it. In some of, I'm talking about an example like if you are existing in the parties with your friends, in that situation, a smile must be there,
Okay.
right? In weddings, even when you all family are together at any places, even at your
Hmm.
home, in that situations, by making fun to each other, a smile must be there.
You're in a happy place, right? The same reason. If you frown, it shows that you are not happy being present over there, right? And it
Yes.
might cause a little bit of suspicion in other people's mind that, okay, why is he or she not happy? So that will take away their happiness. So it's
Yeah,
good.
there are two things must be there in you. If a smile is not there, so sadness must be there. The two things must be
Definitely.
there.
Yes, there
And
has
if
to be
you're
some emotion, right? Yeah.
yes, if you're able to sustain your smile, so there is
Hmm.
no space of existence of sadness in that situations. So you
According to,
have to choose.
yeah, what you told me, smile is a sign of strength as well, right? According to
Yes.
what's your interpretation, it shows how much of strength you have to sustain that smile in every situation because it's not easy, right? So it's a sign of strength according to what is your. That's really nice.
Yes. And a smile will define your situation is going well. I mean you're a
Yes.
good situations.
Yes. It might turn the
Right.
situation in your favor, maybe at times, I can say, right? If you have a smiling
Yeah.
face.
Because very rare people are able to sustain it. Whether they
Yes.
are coming from very critical, I mean, they're coming from rural place and they have been suffering every single day. So
Yes.
very rarely the people are sustaining a smile. But this is very important. It works as a medicine on you.
Mm. It's a magic tonic which people should, and it comes for free. Still, I don't know why people don't take it, right? Free things, do you think free things are valued in today's time?
Of course, but people have the mindset, like those, things are we are having free at cost. They have a consider like this, that thing doesn't work in my life.
Okay.
These kinds of mindset, they would never let them get free from their thoughts, actual.
Okay.
Whatever they think about such things. And if they are getting, getting harder anything in their life,
Hmm.
only those things people are valuing in this time, I would say. So it's a totally, I'm talking about the mindset of people in this scenario.
True.
So sometimes we have to change the mindset. We have to change ourselves. We have to upgrade our thoughts. These would be the better transformations of your own, according to time and
Absolutely.
generation.
Absolutely. So what you told me right now that when things are getting harder, okay, that's what you mentioned. So you can mention if you just want a replacement, you can say that when they are facing setbacks in their life, right? When they're having a lot of obstacles that they are facing, challenges that they are facing, rather than saying harder, okay, all the obstacles or maybe the hardships that people face, okay, if they can smile through that, definitely they can turn out to be the winners of their life, which is absolutely true. God tests only
Yeah.
people who are strong enough to sustain that challenge, right? We know that. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. So, all right. So now that was smile was just one topic that came to my mind looking at each other. So, okay, let's discuss about. I'm sure you use WhatsApp and social media a lot of times, right? We all use it.
Not a lot of time, but yeah, I use.
You do use, right? It's a important part, integral part, I can say, of our life these days because many important things we do it. Okay. So let's talk about emojis. Okay. We tend to replace our text with emojis these days. All right. So what is your opinion on this?
I think emoji, it's okay, but in some of case it's not okay because
Okay.
every people are not that much sensible that can
Okay.
sense out each emotions of yours behind this emoji. So it's
All
better
right.
to just texting. It will
Yeah.
well define your thoughts.
Okay. Okay. So you feel text can explain better than emojis. That is what you feel?
Yes.
Okay. Acceptable?
Because,
All right. Go ahead. You are
yeah.
explaining it. Please explain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I consider like people do not have approach that much, level of maturity in this time because
Okay.
24 hours they are engaged with the useless things, I would say, on real and some kinds of attraction, infatuations, I would say, towards
Okay.
some different things, I would say. So, due to less immaturity, yeah, less understanding and perceiving the things, sensing out,
Yes.
due to that reason, sending emoji, it will never define properly your actual emotions. I think
Okay.
this is my consideration. Yeah.
Okay. Acceptable. Everybody has their own way of perceiving things. So acceptable what you said. Emojis, I feel, are a kind of time saver. If you don't want to text, you can just send, or you want to stop the conversation somewhere. I think that's when people just send an emoji. That's how I generally react, that I don't want to
We can
text.
call it
Okay. Shortcut, definitely a
shortcut.
shortcut. Time saver, right? In a second, it's a shortcut. So if you don't want to chat, an emoji helps at times. I'm
Yeah,
sure that was the thought behind creating emojis, right? There
of
might be
course.
some thought that must have gone into it,
It will
making
be.
them a better
Mhm.
indication, right? Things that cannot be expressed maybe through words and times when you cannot speak to each other, right? The emoji is okay.
Yeah,
One send one heart or anything that you're angry and it conveys the message like that. All right.
yeah.
It can. Do you think emojis can convey the wrong message also, Chandan? What do you think?
Of course, that's why I'm raising, my point of view.
Hmm.
Sometimes what you want exactly, emoji will never define properly.
Yes.
That's why I
Yes.
raised that matters like emoji is not that much sufficient to convey your entire emotions
Okay.
by putting the only one symbol of any gesture of your own, yeah, indication of your own. So in that situation, texting will define better more than sending emoji.
I'll just give you a small correction over here. Do you have a problem, okay, in pronouncing shun and sun? Okay, little bit of problem in
Okay,
pronouncing,
yeah,
yeah, because
son,
all the words, okay, that, for example, mention, okay, it has that sh ka sound, mention, okay, but when
mention.
you say it, it is mention. See, if you just listen to your word, it is mention, okay, but
Oh,
the correct
yeah,
word is Chandan over here, mention. It goes
mention.
SH.
Sun.
Mention. Yes, shun.
Sun.
SHUN, right? Like shun.
Sun.
Mention, right? Okay.
Mention.
So wherever you have TION, okay, just what you can do maybe as what we recommend either when you're talking, you just be a little careful, okay? Just a mindfulness. Or second,
Mhm.
if you just want to practice this, what you can do is record yourself with a few words, okay, which are with these shun word. Okay,
Yeah.
situation. Okay, for example,
Situation.
see again,
Situation.
yes, right now it is right. Situation.
Situation.
Yes. So just try and, consciously get a hold on those words, okay? Maybe 10 words, find 10 words, okay? Record them and see if it is sun or shun. You can do that. So that will really help you in getting that correction and diction
Yeah,
correct.
many ma'ams also appointed these words. Son,
Yes,
I
because
often love.
otherwise you have a lovely accent, which I'm sure you have developed with a lot of efforts. You don't have an Indian accent. You have kind of little American, a different accent basically. Have you
Thank you.
consciously worked on it?
Actually, I have watched so many movies, web series, American, and different level of, series, I would say, different
All
countries.
right. Yes,
That's why.
that's
Because I
right.
want to understand every accent.
That's really nice. Yeah, because it's difficult to understand a foreign accent. And when you speak, it has a little bit of trace of American accent, okay? Because Americans don't open their mouth too much. They speak with a little mouth close, okay? So your accent is little similar. I won't say completely because of course we are not Americans, natives, but it does have a little bit, but it's good to hear someone with a little bit of accent. So just work on this shun so that if possible, okay, try to do that. So
Thank you
tell
so
me
much,
three
ma'am.
emojis. Yeah, welcome. So tell me three emojis, Chandan, that you use very frequently. We all have a set of emojis that we frequently just pop in.
Frequently, I use, light smile emoji.
All
Whenever
right.
I become happy after having positive feedback for any reason. So I send often smiley
Yeah.
emoji.
Smiling
Yes.
emoji. Okay, that big teeth
And
wala emoji or just the blushing smile? Simple smile.
yeah, blessing, yeah.
Blushing smile, right? The one
Blessing,
which
yeah,
has pink
blessing.
cheeks in that. Fine.
Yes. And when I become extreme happy for any reason, so I send love emoji. I mean heart emoji.
Heart emoji. All right.
Yeah, so
That's
two
nice.
emoji I often use. Yeah.
It's nice.
Yeah, actually, my day has been so great, so fantastic. Because I took, the one conversation with a new tutor first time, and after that, I watched some series, which I often do, and I learned some, words as well. But
Okay.
but I'm unable to remember because I just
All right.
listed out. Yeah,
Okay.
and now I'm just talking with you. Yeah, so I would say that my day has been so great today since
That's nice.
morning.
Yeah, you did play it safe because you knew the next question will be that what are those words? Tell me. So you told me, prior that okay, I don't remember those words, so don't ask me at all. So I don't remember it.
Yeah, I knew that.
That's okay, no problem. So, okay. So, what do you think after emojis? What do you think? What's the next development that you would like to see in this technological world? I mean, we did not expect video calls or anything, right? 5 years. I don't think so. Video calls have been more than 5 years. So, what do you think? What would you like to have as an update in this technology? Anything you can think of?
How could I say? Because I'm not into this now, so it's difficult to think, related to anything. Did you ask me about any development emoji?
Anything that,
I
yeah,
mean,
not
any symbol of,
emojis. No, not emojis, Chandan. Anything that you would like to get incorporated, okay, which we don't have so far in the technological world. Okay, which
and
the
for what?
technology
For what?
for our
Education?
convenience. No, for our convenience, just like how video calls were introduced for our convenience, right? So, for example, I'll give you mine. I want free Wi-Fi everywhere. Okay, it should, yeah, that's something that I would like to, if possible, because you never know. Video calls were never possible 5 years prior. We never thought about. So just like free
Why?
Wi-Fi,
So, ma'am, why are you thinking like video call would be more than 5 years?
I can't recollect when did we start video calling each other. Matlab, whatever, maybe 10 years, chalo. I don't remember when exactly video calls started, okay? But till then, they were impossible for normal humans like you and me, right? We never imagined that video call would come into existence. Smartphones would come into existence for that matter. right?
Okay, because high progressing is going on now. That is
Right.
how you thinking now.
Right.
Okay.
So, like that, I'm asking any progress that you wish, just like free Wi-Fi,
Of,
something right now it is impossible, but maybe you never know.
of course, ma'am. So I would love to, you know, I would love to have, free internet also. It's my also desire because I think recently I have heard the news in Mumbai, Stark satellite has been launched
Okay.
and they will provide free at cost internet at every rural place.
Okay. That's
Yes,
news to me so far, living in Mumbai. But yeah, if you know better, I have no idea about this actually.
a Stark satellite, I think.
That's
You
really
must
nice. A good initiative, I can say.
Yes, and because there's no need, there's no need of, depending on towers, only
Yes.
the satellite will, providing the internet free at cost. There's no much prices, and each areas and each every rural place can utilize that internet free at cost. So this is amazing, I think, for them.
A very
Right.
good idea, I can say. A lot of people will be helped as well as it will be beneficial for people who cannot afford these facilities, right? So definitely a
And
blessing in
as
disguise.
Yes, and especially in a recharging, field, I would say amount must be decreased because day
Yes,
by day the recharge amount has been increasing. It's not
extremely.
affordable for every person, right?
Absolutely true. Yes.
So I would like to, just appeal like amount must be decreased,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, maybe we'll have free Wi-Fi, don't worry, after a few years. So no amount charged at all. Maybe the government will take it in our taxes. So it, we will enjoy free Wi-Fi. Hopefully. Let's see.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Fine,
But
Chandan. So yeah, please go ahead.
but ma'am, every people are not that much lucky enough, right? In this time, if I talk about me, I have to recharge every single month, 350 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
And even though we are having very limited data as well, not that much speed internet. Sometimes it's getting fumble, some of time.
Yes, there's a lot of buffering. Right now, it is nice. Touchwood doesn't buffer. One more correction before we complete. Every people, okay, every people cannot afford, you said, okay? So every is singular. So every person, okay?
Okay.
If you're every time you say the word every, you will always say a person. Every person cannot afford it. Okay, every people
Mm.
is plural. How can people be every? Okay, so if people, okay, people cannot afford it, then you will not have the word every with that. Every के
Yeah,
साथ
yeah.
it will always be person. Just remember that.
Yes, ma'am, you're right.
Okay,
People, it's a plural
it's a plural.
myself.
Yes, right?
Yes,
Fine. So I'll take your
oh,
leave, Chandan, and I hope we had a nice session today. It was fun. So yeah, hope to see you
yes.
soon again and
Thank
keep
you, ma'am.
practicing. All right, take care. Bye bye.
Bye
Yeah,
bye. Same here, ma'am.
yeah.